Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, your go-to channel for the most insightful and fun product comparisons. Today, we're putting two robotic cleaning warriors in the ring: Narwal Freo Robot Vacuum and Mop, and HONITURE Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo G20. Let's see which one earns the title of your next robo-maid. Stay tuned as we dive into the details. First up, let's talk price. The Narwal Freo will set you back a hefty $1,399. Reviewers note that while it's an investment, its advanced features justify the cost. On the other hand, the HONITURE G20 is a wallet-friendly $199. Many users appreciate its affordability, making it a great option for budget-conscious buyers. So if you're looking to save some cash, HONITURE G20 wins this round. Now, let's dive into the cleaning features. The Narwal Freo boasts Freo Mode, self-cleaning, self-washing, and drying capabilities. It's highly praised for its exceptional cleaning abilities and advanced navigation system. Reviewers love its Dirtsense technology and quiet operation. Meanwhile, the HONITURE G20 offers a 3-in-1 cleaning bonanza: vacuuming, mopping, and sweeping, with 4,000 pascals super suction power. Reviewers commend its effectiveness on various floor types and its pet hair cleaning prowess, though some note the mopping function could use better instructions. Both are impressive, but Narwal Freo's features are a game changer. Battery life is crucial for uninterrupted cleaning. The Narwal Freo doesn't flaunt its battery stats, but given its price and features, expectations are high. Reviewers have noted its reliability over extended use. On the other hand, the HONITURE G20 boasts a solid 150-minute battery life, which users find sufficient for covering large areas. It even auto-returns to its charging station when low on battery. For a clear estimate and reliable performance, HONITURE G20 takes this round. Next, let's talk navigation and control. The Narwal Freo features smart swing mopping, corner traps technology, and 3 mop drying modes. Reviewers appreciate its advanced mapping features and real-time tracking through the app. However, it only supports 2.4G Wi-Fi. The HONITURE G20 uses intelligent gyroscope navigation with 4 cleaning modes and can be controlled via mobile app, remote, or Alexa. Users love its ease of use and smart home integration, though some wish for improved initial mapping. Both have their strengths, but Narwal Freo's intelligent navigation stands out. Overall, the Narwal Freo is highly praised for its advanced cleaning features, exceptional performance, and quiet operation. Reviewers love its self-cleaning capabilities and smart navigation. The HONITURE G20, on the other hand, is appreciated for its affordability, versatility, and effective cleaning on various floor types. While some users find the mopping function lacking, its ease of use and good customer service make it a solid choice. So which one should you buy? If you have a bigger budget and want top-notch features, the Narwal Freo is your new best friend. But if you're looking for great value without breaking the bank, the HONITURE G20 is a fantastic choice. Either way, your floors will thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep shopping smart.